In this video, I will show you how to use Klarna on SHEIN. So to do this, what you want to do is just open up the Klarna app, and from the home page where it says search, just search for SHEIN and go and click on it. Now from there, it will then redirect you to the usual website. Now if you want to, you can go and sign into your account here, but you can also do this later. But if you sign in, then you will also be able to go to your cart, but just find the thing that you want to buy. So for example, I'll just add this to my cart, and then from there go to your cart, and then you want to click on checkout. Now here you will need to sign into your account or create your account if you don't have it yet. And then at checkout, if there is an option to pay with Klarna, so a Klarna button, go and click on it. If there's not, then go and click on pay with Klarna in the bottom of the screen. So you can see that's what they say too. Look for the Klarna badge and pay with our flexible payment options. If that's not available, then go and click on create a one-time card, choose how much you are buying, for example 25 euros, and then from there with Klarna you can then go and pay for it using your one-time card, and you can pay in 30 days interest-free. So once you click agree and create card, you will then get card details that you can use to pay on SHEIN in this case. So now you know how to use Klarna on SHEIN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.